name is Heather Bussing, and I'm a labor and employment lawyer. I've been practicing in California for about 25 years. And I deal a lot with companies who are trying to navigate social media and the use of social media in their workplace. And one of the first things that employers often are concerned about is, should we look at somebody's Facebook profile? Is it okay to look at video interviews? What if we find out information while we're searching online about somebody that shows that they're in a protected class? Like it might show their race, or that they're married, or that they're pregnant, or that they're of a particular religion. And if we know that about them throughout the hiring process, that could affect our decision making, and we don't want to discriminate. More importantly, we don't want to be sued for discrimination. So my approach to that is that you never hire somebody without meeting them in person. You will always see them in person eventually. And so discrimination can happen at any point in the process, but eventually you're always going to find out the exact same information that you probably found out online or through their Facebook profile in person when you meet them for the interview. And if they don't get the job at the interview stage, it's no different from a liability standpoint than if they didn't get the job earlier in the stage, except that earlier in the stage, they may or may not even know that they were considered. And so the risk actually goes down from getting sued. And the answer is that discrimination happens both consciously and unconsciously in the hiring process all the time. And the way to deal with that is not to hide from it and not to pretend like you don't know information, or to systematically exclude yourself from knowing information about somebody. Instead, keep track of who you're hiring and who you're not hiring, and find out if something that you're doing, even unconsciously, is having a discriminatory impact on your workforce. And while it will show problems, it will also give you the opportunity to address the issues. Because the issue is not avoiding getting sued, the issue is not discriminating.